Hello, and welcome to the Complete Ethical Hacking course. Go from beginner to advanced. With 550 lectures and over 130 hours of content, this is the only course you need to become an advanced hacker from scratch. This course is designed to take you from zero to hero in hacking in an easy and fun fashion. In this course, we will assume that you are just a beginner, and at the end of the course, you will be at high intermediate level. Do you want to launch attacks exactly the same way the black hat hackers do? Or you want to defend different attacks? After finishing this course, you will be able to launch an attack the same way that any black hat hacker can do, and also you will know how to defend different attacks. In this course, we are not going to neglect the theory behind each technique. In every part, first we will learn about theory, then we will see those techniques of hacking, and at last we will have real-world example of that part. There are many resources on the internet, but lots of them are wrong and outdated. Not only that, but it is hard to stay up to date. However, this course will help you build your hacking skills, and you will also be updated. So let's have a look in our course. There are 25 parts. First, we will learn how to set up our complete hacking lab. Then we will learn Linux administration and some of the basics of hacking. Before starting any kind of hacking, we are going to learn how to be anonymous and hide ourselves online. In part 4, we're going to gather information. This information may be personal, company-based, or hidden on the internet. But we are going to gather the information easily. In part 5, we're going to learn pre-connection attack, like Wi-Fi and wired hacking. In this part, we also will learn how to make fake access points, captive portals, and capturing different datas. Then, from part 6 to 17, we will learn how to do different types of hacking attacks. Again, in that parts, first we will learn theory, then we will see those techniques of hacking, and at last we will have real-world example of that part. Every part will have a real-world hacking example without neglecting the theory behind it. From part 18 to 19, we will learn website hacking. First, we will learn cross-site scripting and SQL injection in great details. Then, we will learn web surfer hacking. After that, it's not finished, guys. We will learn about mobile hacking. Here you will learn mainly Android hacking, but you will also learn how to hack other mobile platforms, such as iOS, Windows, and BlackBerry. At last, we will learn how to defend those attacks and how to be safe from other hackers. Here, we will also learn about computer forensics. After learning how to defend attacks, computer forensics will be a lot easier for you. And of course, we have a bonus section. In the bonus section, part 1, we are going to learn about Python basics, Python and Kali Linux hacking, and how to automate hacking attacks using Python. And then we will also learn about Metasploit. Metasploit will help you to safely simulate attacks on your network, uncover weaknesses, and much more. This is one of the best hacking operating systems used by hacking community. If this doesn't sound like enough, don't worry. This is just a brief explanation of our complete course. After enrolling in the course, you will learn much more, and that will help you to become an advanced hacker. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in the course now and get the opportunity to learn from the world's most advanced ethical hacking course.